हेलो ये ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव ये कलेक्टर्स आइटम है। कलेक्टर्स आइटम्स ऐसी होती है जो वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम काइंड ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन होता है, यू जस्ट वांट टू गेट इट इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट कि आप पहनोगे कि नहीं पहनोगे। बट मैं मिडिल क्लास से आती हूँ एंड व्हेन आई बाय स्टफ आई वांट टू वेयर इट। सो आई spent a lot of money, approximately 13,000 rupees, to get these. I was one of the very few lucky ones out there who got the pieces, because turns out within 2 minutes everything was sold out. Yes, I'm talking about Sabyasachi x H&M, as you read the title of the video. See, for those of you who were not able to purchase it, consider yourself lucky. Pluses and minuses, I'll talk about that. First of all, I absolutely respect Sabyasachi, and his designs are flawless. Like, his designs are so beautiful, so beautiful. Like, they're just genuinely beautiful. I hope to wear Sabyasachi sari someday soon, but this collection was not up to the mark as I wanted it to. The designs are fabulous. Let me show you. So ये box में आया था वो quickly. ये box में आया था. Loved the box. I got 2 of these. It was huge box. I ordered from H&M. My sister ordered from Myntra. I think box में मेरे को ज़्यादा मज़ा आ गया as compared to the actual clothes that I'll show you. So here are the clothes. पहले से पहला है एक. I'll show you the blouse. It's like a one shoulder blouse था ये. I absolutely loved it. Design prints consistent नहीं है. I'll share more about that. Stitching was rubbish. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे stitching इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Next piece was like a high neck blouse. Design is fabulous, A1, A+, top a number, but the stitching जो जहाँ पे H&M का पार्ट आता है, H&M आई डोंट थिंक डिलीवर्ड जितना चाहिए था मेरे को. फ़ोटो यहाँ पे और एक फ़ोटो यहाँ पे. ओके, सो दोज आर द 2 pieces. नाउ द थर्ड पीस दैट आई वॉज लकी इनफ टू गेट वॉज द बैग. Here's the bag. Absolutely flippin' love it. The design is not consistent. How do I know that? I bought 2 of these bags, one for myself, one for my sister. So ये जो print है, ये जो नीचे गई है print, ये ऊपर थी मेरे बहन के बैग पे, यहाँ पे print थी, and the print general मतलब it's not consistent. Now the biggest flaw in this bag, as much as I flippin' love it, love the tiger here, love the patchwork here inside this bag. You can work it like this, inside out. आप पहन सकते हो ये बैग को because it's beautifully designed. Stitching is also really good. The fabric is also really good. I think अगर एक piece अगर आप buy कर सकते थे ये पूरे collection में से, that you might not have regretted was this piece. Now here is, ऐसा मैं सोच रही थी. Okay, but here's the biggest flaw in this bag. मेरा कंधा यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है, just FYI यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है. Here it does not go up. So this bag was not meant for fat people like me. I spent 3,500 on this bag. Absolutely love this bag. Just wish इसके straps थोड़े बड़े होते. Not too big. I think it's fine. I genuinely think it's fine. I can work. I can carry it like this, like this. I'll show you. I can carry it like this, like in my hand, or I can carry it like this. This is also fine. Just I wished ये बड़े होते, इसके straps थोड़े लंबे चाहिए थे. But that's about it. Within 2 minutes, everything got sold out. You're not missing out a lot.
The amazing Sabyasachi box is going to open.
Yes, this fabric is here.
Cool, man, so cool. Yay, we got 2 bags.